Everyone, so this is the summary of the poem Separation by Amir Abdul Hassan Khusro. So these are the important points about the poet. Amir Abdul Hassan Khusro was born in 1253 in Patiala in Western India. He knew so many languages like Persian, Arabic, Turkish, and Hindi in which he wrote his poems. This poem was originally written in Persian language, and in this poem, poet uses pathetic fallacy. What is pathetic fallacy? Pathetic fallacy means interpreting nature according to one's mood. So, this is the text of the poem. The clouds pour down their burden chill while I from my loved one part. How can I pray on such a day? From her sever my heart. The rain doth fall while with sad hearts we stand to bid farewell. The clouds do weep, and it is in response hot tears from our eyes swell. Fair blows the breeze, while verdure fresh the meads and gardens covers. Even like a captive nightingale, ill fare now parted lovers. For thee my tears are streaked with blood, O pupil of mine eye. Have pity on this grief of mine. Don't bid me yet goodbye. No more I want the gift of sight. Let darkness me enfold. What use to me are now mine eyes? That face I can't behold. So, when the poem opens, we get to know that the poet is lamenting upon the separation from his beloved. He says that clouds are pouring water as it is raining now, and weather is so chill and cold. At this moment, he is separated from his beloved. He says that how can he pray now when he is feeling a lot of pain and anguish inside his heart? Okay. In the next lines, poet says that the rain is falling and he's standing with his beloved to say goodbye to each other. It seems to the poet that the clouds are also weeping to mourn the loss of his love. His eyes are filled with hot tears. In the next lines, poet says that wind is blowing beautifully and all the meadows and the gardens are full of fresh greenery. Then he hears the sad song sung by a nightingale. He feels that the nightingale is in a cage and is singing a sorrowful song to lament upon the separation of the lovers. Poet says that his tears are touched with blood and pupil of his eye seems to burst out. He begs his beloved to have pity on him to see his pathetic situation. He pleads to her not to say goodbye to him. In the next lines, poet expresses his wish to become blind. He says that he doesn't want to have gift of sight if he won't be able to see the beautiful face of his beloved. And here the poem ends.